So good morning, guys. Baby's sleeping. I have to freshen up before I start doing what I want to do. Though I've woken up since morning, I've taken the kids to school. I said I've taken the kids to school. The kids, they've all gone to school. Hubby has gone to work. I've even done dishes and all that. So I just made her sleep. She has been awake since. I just made her sleep. So I want to freshen up. I want to brush my teeth, wash my face, and I promised my other kids that I'm going to make fried rice for them today. Guys, I started a video. Was it not yesterday? Yes, I started a video yesterday. I want to show you guys my morning routine. I started the video. I started cooking. I started everything, and at the long run, baby started crying, and I went to pick her up. I forgot totally that I was vlogging. This is my new life now. I start something and completing it is a problem. So I pray I complete this one. Really, I pray I complete this one. So I want to brush my teeth, wash my face, just freshen up a little bit, take my bath if necessary. But if I can't, then I will first of all cook, then go take my bath. So baby, I'm not going to shower her this morning. I'm not going to bathe her this morning because the weather is not looking good. It snowed yesterday and everywhere is cold. So I'm going to wait till in the evening when the weather is a little bit fair, and I will bathe her. I'm supposed to unheat her, but I prefer when the weather is a little bit hot because we are in spring. I think we are transiting into spring now. So I'll wait when the weather is a little bit hot, and I'll bathe her. And I prefer bathing her in the evening so that she can be able to sleep a little bit at night, even though we don't sleep throughout the night, but we sleep for a while, you know. If you understand, mothers, sorry for the noise, I'm doing laundry. If you're a mother, you will understand. So guys, let me go and freshen up. We start cooking before she wakes up. Before she wakes up. That is my life now. See her face here. Her eyes are wide open. We've not even started. I just brought her the things I want to use to cook, and boom, she's awake. This is the life of my life now as a content creator. That freedom is no longer there. I plan to do things and I forget at times that I'm having a newborn. Seriously. Man, serious. Let me try and breastfeed her and make her sleep and see. Breastfeed and carry her around and see if she will sleep. I pray she sleeps because I need to cook. We need to cook. We need to make food. And there's no food in this house. We need to make food, mommy. We need to make food. Boom. 20 minutes sleep. Hey, God. God, oh. Yeah, let's sit. Mama, say hi to the camera. Say hi, everyone. Say hi. Say hi, everyone. Say hi, everyone. Zaina, say hi, everyone. Say hi. She said hi. Say hi, everyone. Tell them my name is Zainab. My name is Zainab. body. This is back. Play with her. So guys, good evening guys. So guys, I want to end this vlog here that I started since morning. See, we've had our bath. Baby have had her bath. She's sleeping already. She's beside me. I don't want to show her. She's sleeping already. Right now, I want to sleep. So let me end this vlog. If you have watched up to this extent, thank you so much. And you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Join the family. Hit the notification bell so that whenever we upload videos you get to be notified. And please like our video. Like it or even if you don't subscribe, but please like the video. Very important, very important. Please share our videos to all your social media platforms. We really appreciate it. Drop your comments in the comment section. I love interacting. I love to hear from you guys. So please drop your comment in the comment section. You can see my eyes already closing. I want to sleep. So that is it guys. Let's call it a day till I see you in my next video. Bye bye.